So, Rupert, the Wrong Word Pirate. Written by Greg Owens, illustrated by Suzanne Beaky. One fine day, Pirate Captain Rupert set sail with his best friend, first mate Rowena, and their brave pirate crew, Mongo, Bongo, and Ted. Polly the parrot came too. They sailed in search of the treasure trove isle where a ship full of gold had been wrecked many years earlier. First, said Rupert, we must put all our pirate caps. But it was too hard for the crew to do their jobs with cats on their heads. So Rowena said, wait, I think Rupert meant to say our pirate hats. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Just then the wind blew up, and Rupert gave his next order. Pull up the nail! He cried in a brave and commanding voice. Mongo, Bongo, and Ted tried to follow Rupert's order, but they were so confused. Thankfully, Rowena was there to straighten things out. Pull up the sail! She explained hastily. This seemed to everyone like a much better idea. By the time the sail was raised, Rupert realized something was wrong. We must be getting off course, he cried. We should be able to see Treasure Trove Isle by now. Everyone, look at your laps! Mongo, Bongo, and Ted followed their captain's order, but though they all stared at their laps, they did not learn where the treasure was. That's when Rowena handed out maps to everyone. Here, she said, try these. Rupert looked into his telescope and cried, ahoy! There's Treasure Trove Isle. Head for the peach. The crew scratched their heads. There was no peach in sight. Not the peach, said Rowena with a sigh. The beach. She pointed to the island ahead where the shipwrecked treasure awaited.
That's the ginger. We found it! And he's gonna eat it!
At last, Rupert and his faithful crew finally reached the island and went ashore. As they loaded the treasure onto their ship, Rupert announced happily, our adventure is finished!
Mommy,
Now hoist the anchor. Set a course for home. Hold tight to your mold. No, Rupert, shouted Mongo, Bongo, and Ted together. Before Rowena could even open her mouth, hold tight to our gold. And that's exactly what they did. The end.